Securities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced edgy show bringing the best press releases of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next rate Chinese investments. Friday, January 28th, as you can see, I'm back from Vancouver, no harbor behind me, but nonetheless, what's important for you, I've got two great press releases, especially great considering the fact it's Friday and we typically don't have very much good news on a Friday to talk about. First one comes out of China-backed batteries, CBAK, on the NASDAQ to put up their first quarter numbers for the period ended December 31st, 2010. This is a manufacturer of lithium-based battery cells, known about the company for a long time. Here are some of the highlights. Revenues increased 26.5% year over year and 14.3% sequentially. Like that, that's Q1 2011 compared to Q4 2010. Revenues from high-power batteries more than tripled sequentially in Q1. Like that. Here's the number I really like. Gross margin now has improved to 15.7% in the first quarter compared to 9.5%. That's a huge increase in gross profit margins. Another quarter of positive cash flow, $18.4 million from operating activities. The company does say, though, a little caution, this reflects continued progress in their turnaround plan. So go take a look at that. Why they're doing a turnaround? What were their initial problems? And is this the time to jump in, given the fact they're reporting such great results on most operating levels? In November 2010, Chery Automotive officially launched its first lithium-ion solution electric vehicle. That's powered by China-backed lithium phosphate batteries. So that's great news because it shows they're expanding their product line. Because up till now, their battery cells are the principal component of rechargeable batteries commonly used in retail stuff such as cellular phones, notebook computers, portable consumer electronics, those kind of devices. But the production facilities were recently expanded to support the production of large batteries of various types of vehicles. That's very important. Shows me great product enhancement there and another significant potential source of revenue. Closed yesterday, $1.89, 52-week high, 268, low, $1.33. So trading pretty much dead smack in the middle. Go take a close look at the company, but I like today's news on its face. And next up, Sunvalley Solar. They're actually a company out of California, but they're in the renewable energy space, especially in the photovoltaic. So I thought they should be here because they do provide competition to a lot of these companies. They announced a new solar installation contract in Imperial, California. It's with the crop production services there, valued at about $210,000, supported by $100,000 in local utility incentives and about another 60 plus in federal tax grants. Go take a look at that press release because it gives an idea of what these Chinese companies might be able to achieve here in America as well. The 45.6 kilowatt power system is comprised of 480 solar panels from Tyne Solar Films. Expect to generate 77,000 kilowatt hours of electricity annually. Peak months, May to October, they're actually going to be able to feed into the grid with that surplus power and earn credits for those months of less sunny winter months, so they're able to offset those months. Now, here's the thing about it. Trading, I'm not too happy about. Last traded, 2 cents a share, looks like 52-week range all over the place, from 51 cents on the high to fractional cents on the low. So go take a closer look at that, but thought you should know about that company. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, especially for China-backed battery news. I've been following them for a while. Take a closer look because there's been a lot of controversy coming out of China lately. And make sure that this is one company that has got caught up in that. If you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap news, then make sure you get to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com every day. Watch the show. Take a look at the best headlines out of the entire industry over the past few days and get into the directory to discover your next great Chinese small or mid-cap investment. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.